Studying project management successfully requires a combination of theoretical knowledge, practical application, and the development of key skills. Here are the top strategies to help you study project management effectively. 1. Understand project management principles. To succeed in studying project management, grasp its principles, including the phases: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and closure. Explore resources like project management courses or certification programs to enhance your learning experience. 2. Develop time management skills. To develop your time management skills is by using techniques utilizing a productivity tool like a calendar or task management software. These tools can help you prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and track your progress. 3. Gain communication and leadership skills. Project management involves leading a team and communicating effectively with stakeholders. To develop these skills, consider joining leadership development programs or workshops to enhance these skills. 4. Utilize project management tools. Project management tools such as Teamwork.com, Monday.com, Trello, or Asana can help you keep track of tasks, allocate resources, monitor progress, and collaborate with team members. 5. Learn from real-life project experiences. One of the best ways to study project management successfully is by learning from real-life project experiences. This can be done by connecting with experienced project managers and learning from their experiences. By utilizing tools like eDrawProj, project managers can streamline project workflows, improve team collaboration, and ultimately achieve project success efficiently. Our customizable bar chart area empowers you to sync information seamlessly, keeping your team on track and stakeholders informed. Elevate your project presentations and boost productivity with eDrawProj's advanced features.